You're exhausted all day, but the second your head hits the pillow, you're wide awake. And even if you fall asleep, it's not deep enough to stop you from waking up between 3 to 5 a.m. So, what does science say you're doing wrong before bed? By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what's sabotaging your sleep and how to fix it. Let's break it down. Welcome to Your Wellness Wave channel. Number 1. Circadian rhythm disruption. Did you know that your body has its own internal clock called your circadian rhythm that decides when you feel sleepy or awake? The problem? That clock is highly sensitive to light, especially blue light from your phone, TV, or laptop. Research shows that blue light tricks your brain into thinking it's still daytime, slowing down the production of melatonin, the hormone that tells your body it's time to sleep and helps bring on deep sleep, preventing these early wake-ups between 3 to 5 a.m. But what should you do? Dim the lights and put your screens away 30 minutes before bed. If you have to use your phone, grab a pair of blue light blocking glasses, use your phone's night mode, or install blue light filter apps like Twilight. It's a small change, but trust me, it's a game changer. Number 2. Stress, anxiety, and hyperarousal. Okay, next, let's talk about stress. You know that feeling when you're lying in bed and your brain suddenly starts thinking about your stupid boss, replaying arguments, or planning your next financial challenge. That's cortisol, your body's stress hormone, kicking into high gear. According to the Journal of Sleep Research, stress and anxiety don't just keep you awake, they also stop you from reaching deep, restorative sleep. What to do? Try mindfulness meditation or deep breathing exercises for just 5 minutes before bed. Or grab a notebook and do a quick brain dump. Write down every worry or thought buzzing in your head. It sounds silly, but trust me, it's proven. Getting those thoughts out of your brain and onto paper can calm your mind fast. Number 3. Poor sleep hygiene. Now, this one's sneaky. Bad sleep habits. Studies in sleep health show that having an irregular sleep schedule confuses your body's sleep signals. That means if you're going to bed at 10 p.m. one night and scrolling TikTok until 2 a.m. the next, your brain has no idea when it's supposed to sleep. What to do? Set a consistent bedtime and wake-up time. Yes, even on weekends. Create a wind-down routine, like reading, stretching, or listening to calming music. If you're finding this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more. Number 4. Environmental factors. Let's move on to something you might not even realize is messing with your sleep. Your sleep environment. According to Sleep Medicine Reviews, the temperature, light, and noise levels in your bedroom directly impact your sleep quality. So, keep your room cool. Around 65 degrees Fahrenheit or 18 degrees Celsius is the sweet spot. Use blackout curtains or a sleep mask to block any light. If noise is keeping you awake, use a white noise machine or a sleep app to create a calm, consistent sound that masks distractions. Your bedroom should feel like a cave, cool, dark, and quiet. Number 5. Diet, stimulants, and substance use. Ever had a late-night coffee or a nightcap and wondered why you're still tossing and turning? Caffeine, nicotine, and alcohol can wreak havoc on your sleep. The Journal of Clinical Sleep Medicine found that caffeine can stay in your system for up to 6 hours, so that 4 p.m. latte might be keeping you awake at midnight. And alcohol? It may make you drowsy, but it also fragments your sleep, so you wake up feeling exhausted. What to do? Cut off caffeine and nicotine at least 6 hours before bed. Finish eating 2 to 3 hours before bedtime, especially heavy meals. And limit alcohol so it doesn't sabotage your sleep later in the night. Number 6. Underlying medical conditions. Finally, if you've tried everything and still can't sleep, it might be time to look at underlying health issues. According to the American Academy of Sleep Medicine, conditions like sleep apnea, restless leg syndrome, chronic pain, or hormonal imbalances can secretly ruin your sleep. Signs to watch for. Loud snoring or gasping for air during sleep. Feeling exhausted even after a full night's rest. Tingling legs at night or the urge to move them constantly. If any of these sound familiar, talk to your doctor or a sleep specialist. Sometimes better sleep starts with the right diagnosis. So, why can't you sleep? Write in the comments and tell me if these tips helped you. I'm reading them all. And don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more life tips. Sleep well, and I'll see you in the next video.